In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello labels effectively to streamline your task management. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Trello.com. Go ahead and log into your Trello account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board where you want to manage your task labels. This is usually where you keep track of your projects, making it the perfect spot to organize your tasks. Now that you're on your board, the next step is to open the Label menu. Find the card that you want to label. These cards usually represent tasks or ideas. Click on that card to open its detailed view. On the right-hand side menu, or sometimes at the very top of the card, you should see a button labeled Labels. This is often represented by a small colorful icon. Give that a click and a menu will pop up showing you the available labels. Here comes the fun part: customizing or creating your own labels. You'll see a list of colors along with any existing labels that you might have already set up. If you want to modify an existing label, simply click the pencil icon next to the color. If you're feeling creative and want to create a brand new label, that's just as easy. Just select a color you like, click that pencil icon, and you can start typing a label title that fits your workflow. Think about how you can use these titles. You could choose something straightforward like urgent for tasks that need immediate attention, in progress for tasks you're currently working on, or completed for those tasks you've wrapped up. These labels are excellent for defining priority levels, project phases, or even specific task categories. It helps keep everything clear and organized, allowing you to see the status of a project at a glance. Once you've entered the name for your label, don't forget to click the Save button to ensure your changes are recorded. This step is crucial, otherwise your hard work will go to waste. Now that it's saved, you can easily apply the label to the card. Just click on the label you created, and you'll notice that the colored label with its text is now visible on that card for quick reference. This makes it so much easier to identify what each task really means at a glance. And that's it. By using labels in Trello, you're setting yourself up for greater organization and efficiency. With just a few clicks, you've customized your workflow to better suit your needs. So, the next time you look at your Trello board, you'll have a clear picture of what needs to be done, what's in progress, and what has already been completed. If you've enjoyed this walkthrough on how to use Trello labels, don't forget to like this video and consider subscribing for more tips on productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!